Okay, welcome everybody. This is a very important video because I'm going to show you all the ways that you can finance your business. Whether it's a small business or a medium business, there's multiple ways to fund your business even when the big banks say no. Because I know it's very frustrating when you go to a Chase Bank or you go to a Bank of America or you go to that big bank that you see on TV and you get all dressed up in your nice shirt, tie, or your nice blouse and your skirt. Put your best fragrance on because you want to smell good. You want to look good. You go in there with the big money smile, your big money smile on, and your folder because you gotta look official. You gotta look official. Go in there, you ready to do business, and you ready to get approved for that loan so you can move your business forward. Then you go in, talk to the banker, smile, give him that firm handshake. Hey, nice to meet you. And like, all right, let's get back to business. He asks you what you're here for. Like, hey, I'm here to get a business loan so I can XYZ my business and move forward. And he's like, okay, tell me about your business. And then you tell him about your great business. It's remarkable. It's amazing. He's like, okay, you just got to fill out this application. Also, you're going to have to be in business for at least 2 years. He want to see tax returns. He asks you for check stubs, documents, all type of stuff, everything but your left arm and your right kidney. You're like, wow, it's a lot of stuff. All to tell you that you've been denied. And you know you make money in your business. You just need a little bit of money to move your business forward. And that's what I'm here to help you with today. Multiple ways that you can move your business forward. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly the one-stop shop you can use to move your business forward. I'm actually going to leave the link at the bottom of the video and at the top of this video. Also, if you made it this far, congratulations. This is what you got to do next so you can stay in the know of all the business hacks, all the credit hacks to move your business forward, because we're going to be giving a lot of information away, a lot of resources that you can use to move your business forward. Now, understand, we don't give financial advice. We are not financial advisors, but we get a lot of information that you can use to move your business forward. Because information, we believe information changes situation. What you don't know can actually hurt you. I dealt with a lot of business over the years, and a lot of them made it to me when it was too late. Nothing we could do for them. If they would have came like 3 months prior, could have got you done. When that cash flow was strong, could have got you done. But they come to me at the end where the sales dried up and nothing else can be done. They may even have bad credit, sales dried up, and no collateral. Nothing we can do for them but help them fix their credit and then get them in a better position to move forward, and then they can get funding after they fix the credit. But you're here, you may have bad credit, but you may have revenue. So these are different things that you may need for your business. Because a lot of people, they need working capital, they need money for payroll because maybe they didn't make enough money this week to cover the people that's working for you. They need their salaries paid. Or you may need money for marketing because if people don't know you, they can't flow no money to you. So you may have to pay for Facebook ads. You may have to pay for radio ads. You may have to pay for TikTok ads. You may have to pay for YouTube ads. And all of that takes money. And you can actually use this funding for that as well. Marketing. Also, gap financing. It may be between deals and you need money to close that gap. You can use the funding for that. Or you may need equipment loan. You might have a restaurant, trucking company, cleaning company, a dentist office. You might be a chiropractor, and you need to buy new equipment so your customers can come in and get the latest and greatest from you. You can get equipment loans here. Also, you may want to get an SBA loan, and that comes facilitated by the government, but is brought to you by specialized lenders that can get that funding to you. You can get that here as well. You may need accounts receivable financing. You can get that here as well. Merchant cash advance, which is basically giving you a cash advance based on credit card sales. You can use that to move your business forward here as well. Also, you may want a business line of credit. You can get a business line of credit here. You may need it to buy new inventory, expansion project, and you may want to expand your business and make it bigger than what it is. You might want to lease out the space next door, and you're in a nice shopping center. Now you got a nice big place in the shopping center where you can receive more customers. You can serve more customers, you make more money. Also, you may want to buy new inventory for your business. Need money to do that? You can use this funding for that as well. Because I understand you may have your profits, but you may not want to use all your profits on new inventory because then you'll be down to zero. And with a business, it's like a baby. You got to keep feeding it money so it can grow bigger and bigger and bigger. The more you feed it, the more it can grow. The more you can multiply. Make your money babies have more money babies. Also, you may have an expansion project where maybe you want to build another facility or have 3 facilities. You can use that for expansion projects. Or maybe you want to buy out another company. Now you just basically shortcut to starting a second company because you bought a company that's already running and already have people in it. You can use the money for that as well. Also, franchise financing. Maybe you want to buy a franchise like McDonald's. Maybe you want to buy a hotel franchise like a Best Western or a Choice Hotel brand. Maybe you want to buy a Hilton brand. You can use the funding for that as well. Or maybe you want to buy a coffee franchise. Dunkin's make a lot of money. Or maybe you got purchase order financing, which is basically is exactly what it is. You got a purchase order, but you need the funds to fulfill that purchase so you can sell that to the end client and make more money. You can use the funding for that as well. Now, the minimum requirements to get funding is: 1, you got to be in business at least 4 months. At least 4 months. You have to make a minimum of $10,000 per month. That's easy. A lot of businesses already make that. And there's no minimum FICO. So if you got bad credit, as long as you have making $10,000 a month, they can move forward with you. You cannot be a sole proprietor. You have to be a real business like an LLC or incorporated. As long as you have those things, you qualify. And also, well, yeah, that's really it. So I'm gonna leave the link below. It's gonna be above on the home page, or it's gonna be below in the comment section. It's probably quicker if you go below in the comment section. Click on the link. It's gonna take you straight to the application. A representative will reach out to you and work with you one-on-one to assess your situation and help you get financing for your business so you can move your business forward. Because let's face it, in America, it's not about big business that move America forward. Coca-Cola and McDonald's and Starbucks, they do not move business forward, move America forward. America moves forward based on small businesses like yours. Small business like your favorite taco stand, your favorite coffee shop, your favorite ice cream shop, favorite bowling alley. These are what move America forward. Favorite bar. You might have a favorite bar. You don't want to go to a big chain like whatever the big chain name is. You want to go to Bob's Beer. You want to get Bob's Beer and Bob's Burgers. But in order for Bob's Beer and Bob's Burgers to stay open and so he could pay for his advertising in the newspaper, on TV, or on the radio, he needs funding so he could pay for all that. And that's what we're here for. This company is the bridge. It's going to get you to the funding you need to move your business forward. So you can click below in the link. It's going to get you the application. Fill out the application. It's quick, easy. Fill it out. Also, share this video with someone so you can help your business stay open, even if they don't need the money. Even if you think they don't need the money, trust me, they need the money, because it takes money to make money in business. The more money you have, the better you can move your business forward. It's actually better to get money when you don't need it than to need